the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie. That
Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, I was a little busy right there. Busy making pasta, doing what I love to do, doing what I do best. Anyway, good morning, welcome. I'm Chef Joe Mele, and this is Pasta More, Pasta with Love. Not doing a video today, but I am here to invite you to come along with me and do a pasta class. I have just opened up on my website virtual pasta classes. Go figure. Hey, I would love, nothing would excite me more than to be in your home cooking, making pasta with you. However, we know that's just not possible at the moment. Soon it will be, but for right now, I figured why not throw these out there. Let's see what the interest is, and maybe we can have a little fun while we're waiting for everything to open up again. So, I posted these just yesterday on my website. If you remember, if you've been there, it's www.pastamore, PASTAMORE-LLC.com. Once you're there, go to the cooking classes, click on virtual online classes, and it will bring you to a page where I have loaded 2 classes right now. The first one is a basic pasta class. Basic for beginners, intro, fresh pasta, noodles, and a very simple sauce to go with it. The other one is filled pastas, where we're going to be making some tortellini, some ravioli, and a little more advanced sauce to go with it. So right now, just to test the waters, I put them out starting next Saturday is the first one, and every other Saturday will be another pasta class. So I'm alternating weeks. The 27th is going to be the intro to pasta making. The week after that is going to be the filled, and then we'll keep going back and forth every Saturday. But I'd love to add one every single day, an option. I'd love to add more times. But let's start out with this. Let's see how it goes. See if you're interested, and we'll go from there. But I would love to have you. I would love to have you. How cool would it be to sit in your own kitchen, turn on your computer, and have me staring back at you? What a thought, I know. Once you get over that shock, we can get into the art of pasta making. How cool would that be? And then we'll make pasta, we'll make a sauce, we'll eat it, we'll talk, we'll laugh, we'll maybe have a glass of wine. It's the next best thing to being right there with each other. And you know what? Pasta and cooking and food all crosses over time and space. So it'll be just like you and me standing next to each other, except with a little bit of technology thrown in. So, if this is at all interested to you, maybe before you said, oh, I can't find the day, I can't work it out to where we can have a class in my house. You don't have to worry about that anymore. You can be in your pajamas and you can say, hey, I want to have this pasta class, let's do it. You don't even have to put yourself on camera. I'll be on camera. You can just cook along with me. So